What's up everyone, Zach from Finance Pro here, and today I have an update for you guys on GameStop. Let's get into the video. So first off, to kind of bury the lead here, I do want to mention I cannot find my mouse. Sorry, it doesn't look like my mouse is working. Either way, I have some updates for you here. Roaring Kitty bought another $4 million worth of GameStop stock, birthing another conspiracy theory. Now, there's always going to be conspiracy theories on GameStop on, oh, Roaring Kitty bought 4 million, shares. What's going to happen? Now, we can all sit here and say, hey, he knows something. Honestly, he probably doesn't know anything and just wants to, keep this movement going. Now, not to say that there isn't something that could be happening here with him buying 4 million GameStop shares, but I think he just closed out his options, which he did confirm he did close out his options and rolled them into GameStop stock. So while this is very huge that he is like one of the biggest shareholders in GameStop at this point with 9 million shares worth over 262 million, let's temper our expectations and not expect some massive 300% gain this next week because probably just not going to happen. Could it? Yeah. Is it worth having a flyer on this stock right here? Yes, of course. So just don't be gambling away your future on GameStop. That's all I got to say about that. But before we get into anything further, I do want to mention, guys, you guys can go ahead and join the Discord that we have. It's a stock options Discord. We trade every week. You can see here that just this past Friday, we had a 50% gainer. The day before that, we had a 131% gainer, 246% gainer earlier in the week. So if that's something that might interest you, then go ahead and come over to the YouTube video, go to the description, click this Discord button on mobile or your computer, and then it should invite you right here to our trading Discord. Also, if you guys want to get those alerts I was talking about, click that third link in the description. It'll take you here, connect your Discord that you have connected to your Discord, and pick a monthly or yearly option, and you'll be able to see our plays that we're putting out. But either way, let's get into the rest of this video. So GameStop here, you can see, obviously this was the massive run up to 66 bucks. I was making videos around this time last week, around Friday. We were trying to see if we were going to stay above this support at 26. We didn't quite stay above our support at the 26 level. However, we do have a pretty good support here at our previous resistance at the 24 level, which we touched twice this week and bounced back off of, notably on Tuesday. Went from $23 all the way up to $31, back down, kind of was a very volatile week, and now we're sitting well in the $28 area. We have a resistance here at the $31 mark. If we can get past that, we can see a kind of shot up all the way to the $43 mark. Now, there's something that we have to note here. Citron is no longer short on GME, and they cited market's irrationality. So let's get into that real quick. This announcement came right after it was up $30. Citron Research, one of the prominent GameStop short sellers, is no longer short on GME stock. The popular short seller closed its GME short position due to market's irrationality and cult-like behavior. This is their statement that they put out. Citron is no longer short GME. It's not because we believe in a turnaround for the company's fundamentals will ever happen, but with $5 billion in the bank, they have enough runway to appease their cult-like shareholders. So guys, we ran them out the market. It's probably to do this specific thing is probably a lot to do with it just being up so much, with short sellers kind of having to buy back these stocks. But it's pretty solid. And Citron, hey, get effed. I'm kidding. But anyways, let's go into a little bit more of Roaring Kitty. So you can see here, he has 9 million shares worth about 262 million. On the day, I believe this was Friday, he was up $30 million. The total gain, about $51 million, and his value is $260 million. He has $6 million in cash. So even if, everything goes to crap tomorrow, he'll still be chilling for the rest of his life. But very interesting, here that Roaring Kitty. But community thinks that Roaring Kitty might join the GME board. So there are some kind of problems with this. Is he wouldn't be able to trade as much because he might actually, say buy and sell, because he would actually be in on a lot of things before the public. So, however, citing a GameStop filing, a stock trader believes that the newly accumulated shares make Gill the fourth largest shareholder of GME. The trader thinks that the stock's momentum might bring GME's price to $200. I think that's a bit much, but getting to $100 is definitely not out of the realm of possibilities in my perspective. Another trader predicts that Roaring Kitty will join the board. I don't believe in that as much. But yeah, that's pretty much all that we have for updates in terms of GME. If you guys are liking this GameStop content, then go ahead and give me a like on the video, and also subscribe to our channel, and make sure you guys are joining our Discord with this link in the bio. And then once you're actually in there, you can also join us by just clicking the join us section and clicking this link right here, and you'll be able to get signed up to our monthly or yearly membership. But if you guys enjoyed, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.